Hey guys, what happens if you start with just $100 on binary auctions? Yes, I will try to flip it fast using only two indicators, RSI and Bollinger Bands, plus a bold money management plan. Interesting, right? So today, no demo, no fake, real trades and real risks. Let's see if I can turn $100 into something much bigger or lose it all trying. Get rich or die trying. Let's go. For this change, I'm putting $1,000 on the line. My starting trade size is $100, which is 10% of the total balance, right? Yes, it's definitely aggressive, but hey, it's all for the content. I've got a trip coming soon, and yes, I'm trying to grow this account fast, and here how I will do it. Just check. If a trade is successful, I'll increase the next trade to 20% of the balance. If it loses, I'll apply a martingale multiplier of 2.5, but only up to 3 levers maximum. After that, I reset back to the base trade of $100. And now let's talk about the indicators. So RSI, or Relative Strength Index, it's helped me spot overbought or oversold zones, and Bollinger Bands. I use them to catch price bounces from upper to lower band, basically price extremes. So in this video, I'm not going to waste your time with long theory sessions, okay? So instead, I'll show you my custom indicator settings optimized specifically for blitz mode binary trading, with trades that expire in just 1 minute. I've tested a ton of combinations, and these are the ones that work best for me. I hope you also will find it helpful for you. So let's jump right into it. Let's make the settings. Let's start with Bollinger Bands. I'm changing the period from 5 to 20 and setting the duration to 2.5. That gives us a smoother view of price extremes, much better for clean reversals. I'm keeping the default colors, no need to tweak those for now. Now, let's go to RSI. This one helps us find entry points. Fun fact, the RSI was created by Wolf Wilder, a legendary market technician actually, but originally he recommended a period of 14. So which means 14 candles. But that's for the stock market actually. Today we are trading binary auctions in blitz mode, and things move much faster here. So I'm setting the RSI period to 4. Here's how I tweak the results. Turning off the middle line, we don't need it. Coloring the upper line red and the lower line green to match the candles we expect after a good entry. And finally, changing RSI levels to 80 and 20. That's it. Everything is set, and now it's time to trade. Let's go. Okay, as always, we start by picking a trading pair, which is most important part. Let me briefly explain the logic behind this strategy. We're looking for strong anti-points moments, so when the price might be starting a new trend, when the price breaks to the upper or lower RSI level set at 80 and 20, as you remember. That's a signal for us to enter a trade in the direction of the new movement. However, Bollinger Bands help us confirm that signal, so ideally the breakout should be visible on both indicators, RSI and Bollinger, to increase the chances of a successful trade. And let's check the pairs. Okay, let's see what we got here. Remember, we need a pair with a clear breakout. A solid signal on both indicators. That's what we're looking for. Quick reminder, I'm growing this account from just $100. Okay. Let's check the pairs. So far, nothing looks perfect. But you know the rule. You know the rule. Just patient. Let's check. The one. Oh, okay. Wait. Look at this. A strong breakout. Clear move about the overbought level on RSI. And we've got confirmation on the Bollinger Band as well. This is a sorted sell signal. Let's go. Strictly, we're following the strategy. Yes. I like this one. Yes, just like that. You can see the result price is moving exactly how we want. So first win, guys. Congratulations. Okay, we're increasing the next trade to 120. But let's check. We might be able to open another trade here, actually. The trend has formed and is now moving toward the lower band. So let's try another trade. 420. It looks like the trend wants to test. Yeah. Unfortunately, that trade closed in a loss. According to the strategy, we now apply martingale X 2.5, so I'm going in with 300. Now I've got two options. Wait for a new breakout here or look for another pair. What would you do here? Tell me in the comments. Let's think together. Okay. I'm feeling glad to switch into a different pair, to be honest with you, with more obvious breakout. There's something with the clear thread. I'd rather spend more time looking for a good enter and be confident in it. We are trading 300 now, friends. We're scaling up. Yes, this looks good. We've got breakouts on both indicators. You see, that's a sorted sell signal. Let's do this. And once again, the indicators did their job. We hit the enter right. As this price tried to play with us. No. Yeah. It's a good win. Good win for 300 days. Okay. Absolutely right move. Okay, I will go back to 120. And here, yes, I will open another trade. We see the breakouts. We follow the strategy. We go to win. 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 Quick recap. Yes. Another win, guys. We're causing a profit. Good one. Good feeling. Really. Okay. You see? Now it's time to open another trade. 150. We will increase the deal, but I will look for another pair with a good breakdown. I want to see something clear. 100% anti-point. No. We'll play safer now. 100 hit you. Oh yeah, Oh yeah, I like this. I like this entry point. Another trade for sell for $150. Just quick recap that we start from 100. This is our pair. I'm sure about this one. Breakout on both sides and you see clear profit. 288. Yeah. Okay, but you know, I'm still hungry. Let me open another trade. I will double up for T100. Just one more time. One more win. And we good. Winner take a dinner, you know? Yes, let's find a solid pair. And we will take the trade. I need the money. Or how is it? I need dollar. It's all I need. Hey. Yeah, this gold breakdown and T100 deal for buy direction. We're going up now. Yeah, the breakouts is the key today. In this strategy, breakouts is everything. RSI breakout, Bollinger Band breakout. We're going in for 300. And this is a clear profit, guys. Oof, this feeling. You know me. Yes, $773. Clear profit is $673 today. Guys, just two indicators, Bollinger Band and RSI. And today, everything for content and for my small trip. Yes, leave the comments below where I'm going, which country I'm going to travel. All right, guys, after just 15 minutes of trading, here's where I'm at. Starting with $100 and final profit is $673. That's a great gain. Yeah, don't you agree? For me, it was good, but it was risky. So that was my $100 challenge on binary auction, pocket auction, using RSI and Bollinger Bands. If you're interested to this, let me see it in the comments below. If you like it, put the like, subscribe my channel, subscribe my Telegram channel, and remember, trading is a smart prophecy, and strategy is really important, but discipline is everything. Trade smart and see you in the next video. Peace.